to tell you. I got Jube. Finally got Jube, the one that I love breeding. Kept breeding and breeding to get my boy. And finally my work paid off. And here, oh, sadly, by the way, I had to sell for. No, I mean, I teleported frog. But actually, that was worth it. Yeah. Yo, he's so cool. He's super cool, bruh.
Performance mo sa first round, hinanap yung personality mo pa dito sa second round. I know
Hey,
you
T-Rox
could have given
doing
us
the
more than that.
famous
Pero
thing.
malinaw naman yung sinabi mo, you're embracing your uniqueness and you're happy. Pero,
Hey.
asa na yung
Okay.
kanina namin kilala namin, Joy? Siyempre, ito yung Pride Month, patapos nga. Tapos nakita namin na, oh, ito na yung mga pasabog. And then, para,
By the way,
hindi ko alam kung
don't
tumiklop kayo
don't
or
look
you
at
just
that
played safe.
guy.
Pero it's still
Don't
very
look at
nice.
Frog.
So you put,
I'm very sorry for selling him.
dito naman tayo kay
Now I have
Pili,
2 left.
Haga. I think the same.
After these guys, I'm gonna move on.
Napakahaba ng mga sagot mo nung
Oh,
una.
actually,
So, I was
I'm gonna show you my my updates in. Oh, I forgot to tell you. In my air island,
maganda yung sagot.
I got rough.
Hindi mo kailangan na
No one should know why I accidentally bred him.
Sona, you are naturally beautiful.
Here's some update of my cold island.
Congrats sa inyo.
Maraming salamat sa ating mga rados at good luck naman sa ating mga kandidato.
Oh yeah. Oh shoot. Accident assist. Okay, looks like that's for today, guys. See y'all in the next video.